start. Tractor park on level surface, wheel choke, CV sticker valid, parking brake applied. Open the hood. So first check the engine oil. Engine oil level is good. In case low oil, we fill from the filler cap. Filler cap tight and secure. Steering container cap tight and secure. No leak, no crack, no damage. Level is good. Windshield washer cap tight and secure. No leak. Make sure when you go on a highway should be more than 75%. Then we start from wiper motor. No crack, no damage. Mounted good. Line connected good. Fuse box mounted good. No crack, no damage. DC valve mounted good. Line connected good. No crack, no damage. Governor mounted good. Air line connected good. No crack, no damage. Air compressor mounted good. No crack, no damage. Then we start from the top. Head, no crack, no damage. Nut bolt tight and secure. Manifold, no crack, no damage. Air intake hose, clump tight and secure. No crack, no damage. Intercooler mounted good. No crack, no damage. Intercooler cover mounted good. Radiator mounted good. No leak, no crack, no damage. Shroud, no crack, no damage. Fan blade, all are present. No crack, no damage. Belt, no crack, no damage. Alternator mounted good. No crack, no damage. AC compressor mounted good. No crack, no damage. Overall all lines are connected good. Frame, no crack, no damage. Bracket mounted good. No crack, no damage. Steering rod, no fray. U-joint, no crack, no damage. Steering box, nut bolt tight and secure. No leak, no crack, no damage. Pitar mounted good. No crack, no damage. Crown nut with cutter pin present. Brake link, no play, no crack, no damage. Crown nut with cutter pin at the back present. Leaf spring, no crack, no damage. U-bolt mounted good. No crack, no damage. Axle, no crack, no damage. Oil pan, no leak, no crack, no damage. Filter mounted good. No leak, no crack, no damage. Brake chamber mounted good. No crack, no damage. Shock, no leak, no crack, no damage. Airline connected good. No crack, no damage. Slack adjuster mounted good. No crack, no damage. Push rod 1/2 inch to 3/4. Inside wall of the tire, no cut, no bulge. Drum, no crack, no damage. Rim, no crack, no damage, no leak. Tread depth more than 3.2 mm. Outside wall of the tire, no cut, no bulge. Rim, no crack, no damage. All lug nut tight and secure. Hub knot tight and secure, no leak. Air valve with the cap present. Bumper, no crack, no damage. Electrical lines are connected good. Inside fender, no crack, no damage. Hood hinge mounted good. No crack, no damage. Hood shock mounted good. No crack, no damage. Hood rest, no crack, no damage. Hood pin, no crack, no damage. Now we go to the another side. Air filter mounted good. No crack, no damage. Engine head, no crack, no damage. Air intake hose mounted good. No crack, no damage. So clump tight and secure. Exhaust manifold, no crack, no damage. No smoke. Turbo mounted good. No crack, no damage. Exhaust pipe clump tight and secure. No crack, no damage. So water pump mounted good. No crack, no damage. Shroud mounted good. No crack, no damage. Fan belt, no crack, no damage. Coolant tank level is good. Cap tight and secure, no leak. Intercooler mounted good. No crack, no damage. Clamp tight and secure. Then your intercooler cover, no crack, no damage. Shroud, no crack, no damage. Frame, no crack, no damage. Engine heater, all lines are connected good, no crack, no damage. Turbo, no smoke. Exhaust pipe clamp tight and secure, no smoke, no leak. Hood rest mounted good, no crack, no damage. Hood fender mounted good, no crack, no damage. Shock, no leak. Leaf spring, no crack, no damage. U-bolt, no crack, no damage. Axle, oil pan, no crack, no damage. Tie rod mounted good, no crack, no damage. Brake chamber mounted good, lines connected good. Slack adjuster mounted good. Push rod 1/2 inch to 3/4. Inside wall of the tire, no cut, no bulge. Dust cover, no crack, no damage. Rim, no crack, no damage. Tread depth more than 3.2 mm. Outside wall of the tire, no cut, no bulge. Rim, no crack, no damage. All lug nut tight and secure. Hub seal, no leak. Wall stem present with cap tight and secure. Bumper, no crack, no damage. Hood hinge mounted good, no crack, no damage. Inside fender mounted good, no crack, no damage. Electrical lines connected to the electrical lines connected good. Hood pin, no crack, no damage. Air filter we already covered. Outside wall of the tire, no cut, no bulge. Rim, no crack, no damage. All lug nut tight and secure. Hub seal, no leak. Valve stem. So this side under the hood is done. Now you stop.